Linking your bank to Faisal Islamic Bank of Egypt in Switzerland is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a successful connection. Step 1. Gather required documents. Before starting the linking process, make sure you have all necessary documents ready. This typically includes your identification, proof of address, and bank account details. Step 2. Visit the bank's website. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Fill out the application form. Locate the online application form for linking your bank account. Fill out the required fields accurately, ensuring that all information matches your documents. Step 4. Submit your application. After completing the form, review all details for accuracy. Once confirmed, submit your application through the website. You may receive a confirmation email or notification regarding the status of your application. Step 5. Follow up and complete verification. After submission, monitor your email for any follow-up requests from the bank. You may need to provide additional information or complete verification steps to finalize the linking process. Once you have completed these steps, your bank should be successfully linked to Faisal Islamic Bank of Egypt. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to contact customer support for assistance.